Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel once again. So let's analyze weekly chart for a couple of pairs today and discuss how they can, they can move next week and let's list plans for the, our uh, trade for next week. So the previous week was good. Whatever we have analyzed and whatever video I have shared with all of you, right? It was, the most of them were traded in the same manner, right? And let's see, okay, what the weekly chart are speaking for a couple of key pairs. Like in front of you, it's a CHF JPY. Currently, it looks good, and the pattern you can see it's a beautiful one. Okay, and the breakout on the weekly chart, the deciding breakout on the weekly chart. Okay, so the okay, the price was in uptrend and then a consolidation, and it just formed this beautiful pattern and then breakout. Now I'm expecting that okay, uh, price may touch this point and have a retracement up to this level, and then it may consolidate, or maybe it may go bit here and check the demand level and then start going upward, right? So after consolidating at this level again, I think we can try to get our trade opportunity at this level. So this looks good for me for the next week or beyond the next week. It can give us an opportunity to get a trade in it and CHF JPY. So good breakout in this. Let's wait to come back and retest the level, and then we'll see how it will trade. So this is the first idea for next week or maybe the coming weeks. Okay, I don't know when it is going to retest because it's a weekly chart, so it may take time because the breakout is with the decisive, volume, right? So and it's in uptrend. So though it's a resistance level, price may retrace, and how much it will retrace I don't know, but yeah, up to this level I'm expecting. Then if it create and give some confirmation, then we can take the trade, and the first target is that's what I'm expecting. Maybe if I can get the opportunity to take here, then it's tight stop loss below this candle, and the target can be 1:2, which I'm targeting the previous high. This is okay. So this can be, oh, this is what I'm planning. Okay, when price will start traveling up its previous lifetime high and entered into the new no territory or new territory, you can say, right? Then we'll see. Okay, but for now I think that okay, it can be a good idea when it price comes and reaches this level and give confirmation, on basis of that if we take the trade. The second idea which I'm looking is a USD JPY. So in USD JPY, if you can say, it's an uptrend, right? It's in uptrend, and it is an uptrend. You can see it how it is higher low and higher high it is forming, right? Clearly you can see, and then it is taking support on this level, right? Though the structure has shifted from the higher high point of view, after this high it created a low, so higher low has been created, but the lower low is not being created. The low is constant. It means that okay, price may bounce from this level, right? So what my plan here is, okay, let's wait for the some confirmation of some bullish confirmation or some candle pattern should appear here, then you can, or we can plan a trade from this level, right? So that's one idea I can see. Though on the our daily chart, you can say it's a clearly a downside or downtrend, but yeah, this level is crucial. Price may bounce back. So what I'm expecting here from the short term point of view or from swing trading point of view, we can put it our stop loss based on this swing low where it will make its low, and basis of the confirmation we can go up to this level. So I'm looking a good trade here also. Let the price retest, let the consolidation happen, and then if it give the bullish sign, we knowing that it's an important support. Price is still in bull run from the higher time frame point of view, or the structure has from the from a higher high point of view the structure has shifted, but the lower low point of view the structure is constant. Okay, so it is maintaining the below level, but the higher level has been shifted, so I can assume there can be some volatility and it can go up. So this can be another trade idea for the next week, so we can keep an eye on this trade. And the third one which I was looking for is GBP USD. See, GBP USD, yes, last week I was short in this, and my stop loss got triggered in this. But now why I was short, I can show you, right? Why GBP USD I was short. You can see this this beautiful structure breakdown here, right? I had two view actually. So on this, so this breakdown and this is order block and the big red candles. Okay, so I was expecting further down. If I take you on the 4 hour time frame, you can see, right? So 4 hour time frame, I was expecting this is a resistance here somewhere here. I was expecting a negative, bearish candle on 30 minutes time frame. I have taken the entry and the stop loss triggered. So I missed my long on this because I did not analyze the chart again, and I missed this higher higher low, right? And the price start going. So once price broke this level, right, I was waiting for retest and then some confirmation basis of that. I was planning for long, but it didn't come and retest the level. Okay, the way I was looking for, you can say even the lower time frame, it did not. This was the only candle, but I was not getting the confirmation based on this, so I left this trade. Okay, so I did not trade, but yeah, for from weekly perspective it looks good, right? And it is near somewhere around the resistance zones. Okay, so here the sellers get active, right? So if it forms some negative or bearish candle pattern or some patterns, then we can see. Otherwise, if cross this level, then the other important level is this, and then after that's this. So just keep an eye. Okay, since it's in range. Okay, right, it's in range. So we may get some opportunity here, but yeah, still not much things on this to talk about. The other chart, I think USD CAD I can talk. I think we had discussed this last time. USD CAD. Now this gone, and I think I've taken an early trade and it stopped loss trigger, and then after that it's gone. Okay, in our direction. Now it is an important support. Let's wait for the consolidation here because it's an uptrend. If consolidate and give confirmations, okay, for upside, then we can take a trade, right? And the first target up to this level, this green zone. Okay, if it break this level, right, the way it has, so it's a massive weekly candle, massive weekly bearish candle. So if it breaks this level, right, it means then the bull run, or then again it's fall, it came into this zone, right? Right, then we need to wait how it will trade, because this zone was the consolidation zone for the price, and it was being long in this zone, right? You can see this zone was, if price would come in this zone from September till November to almost 2 years it spent in within this zone. Okay, so if the price would come in this zone, then it means the breakout which has been given here, it was a fake breakout, and price did not sustain up above this zone, and it is now came back to here. So we'll see accordingly. So this is USD CAD, guys. But if it sustain, consolidate here, but it will not ready within a week. It may take couple of weeks, and then it will start going up. So you can keep an eye on this. So I think this is USD CAD. Euro UAD, okay, this gone, and the same kind of structure you can see, right? The same kind of consolidation and then breakout in Euro USD. Okay, but it is holding the level, and it may further go up, but it's now not for us. GBP I don't have anything to talk. Okay, USD CHF. No, I would not talk anything on this. What else I have? GBP GPY. No, I will not talk on this. Okay. Solid, guys. I think this is I'm done. I'm done. for the weekly analysis, so I would only say that okay, keep an eye on these charts for the weekly perspective. One thing I just missed to discuss, this one. Okay, I missed to discuss this one. Oh, AUDCHF. Okay, AUDCHF, I think last week I did not put the video on this, but this one 50,000 is a psychological label, and it is all time low. It's all time low. This chart is okay, and this particular peer is. So what I'm thinking that okay, for the because if it's in the daily candle, it has a great pullback from here, then it's a kind of piercing pattern, right? And and then price came back here and retesting this level again. So let's price give the confirmation or start making higher lows, and then basis of that we can initiate one trade here, because it's a psychological level. Price may not go below this, may retest again and then start going up. So after the confirmation, I think we can go get a good trade here, and easy target, okay, up to this level. Even yeah, I'm thinking about this level. So that's what my plan is. So it can give us a good risk and reward, the Odyssey. So these couple of chart which looks good for me for the next week, and let's track together. I think this can be a good a rewardable dinner trade for next week. So have an eye on this, keep analyze, and share your analysis also, and let me know how you think about these charts. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Let's see how these trade these chart go trade next week, whatever we have analyzed. Okay, so and let's have an eye. Okay, so the most important chart for me, this CHF GPY. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Let's connect next week and see how this goes. Thank you so much.